Welcome to the OSU-OKC Library. In this tutorial, you will learn how to renew library materials in Pete's portal. First, you'll need to access your library account from the OSU-OKC Library website by clicking on the Pete's portal link on the left side of your screen. Then, click the Sign In link at the top right of your screen and log in with your OKey login address and password. Now, click the down arrow next to your name at the top right of your screen and click My Loans. Here you will see a list of materials you have borrowed. If your items are eligible for renewal, you can either click the Renew button for each item, or you can select the Renew All option to renew all your items. Please note, you will not be able to renew any items that are overdue or have had a hold placed on them by another user. Once submitted, you will see a message confirming the renewal and the new due date. If you need further assistance with your renewals, please contact the OSU-OKC Library at 405-945-3251 or by email at okc.reference@okstate.edu.